this app idea and ideas similar to this is going to be the future of the, I call it the knowledge-based capitalist. Knowledge-based capitalism is being able to take an idea, simple idea, leverage technology, and be able to have 1,000% ROI. That's amazing, because anytime you can, we've talked about this, right, OC? Having digital products. So we grew up in an age where our product or service was something that you had to touch, something that was tangible. But when you have a digital product, that's work that you can do one time and now get paid over and over, like royalties.
Over and over and over.
That's so good, brother.
This is a great idea. This is a great product.
Yes, it is. Super royalties get paid over and over and over. Absolutely.
That is so good. Wow.